running through my mind. Nothing can stop me, I'm on a high. All the good vibes running through my mind.
So we are back with another install, and today's unit is from luvmehair.com. This is a 16-inch 4x4 lace closure loose wave unit. This is a blonde highlight unit, which is so fun and funky. I've never done a color like this before, so I'm very excited to see how this turns out. Again, this is a 4x4 lace closure, and I'm just going in, plucking the unit according to my liking, just doing a little bit more customization. I would suggest bleaching the knots though, adding some more foundation, and also, plucking a little bit more so the install can be a little bit more seamless. But other than that, everything is amazing. The texture of the hair is bomb. It holds the curls really well because I added some wand curls, as you can see here, and I'm just adding that in lightly to just maintain that loose wave kind of vibe. The hair also is pre-colored, and it's not like dry or anything like that. It is very bouncy, and the volume is amazing. The texture feels so great, so I really like that. You don't really get that too much when the hair is pre-colored, but for this unit, everything is amazing. Look at that lace, guys. It is looking so bomb. The color is so perfect for the fall and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this unit using my regular method, which is the got to be spray, and the tension method. Then I'm gonna cut the lace off, let this marinate for a little bit, get my clothes on, and then I'll come right back to show the finished look. So now that that's set, and I went in with my satin scarf to just, allow this to sit a little bit more, because again, I'm not using any glues. I'm just using the got to be spray. So holding this down for as long as possible is definitely necessary. And I'm going ahead to just cut a little bit of, baby hair. You can definitely skip this part, or you can make it more defined. I just wanted to style it as minimal and simple as possible to just show the beauty of the actual unit without adding too much to it. You can also skip adding any kind of serums or oils to it. I did add a little bit too much to the hair because, as I said before, this is a colored unit, and when you put too much oils in hair like this, it can let it look a little bit more synthetic and weigh it down a bit. So I would say you can skip that part. But yeah, I'm going in just combing out the curls using my wide tooth comb. You can use a Denman brush as well to just loosen up the curls, and you can wear it just like that, or you can style it. You can do whatever you like, but those curls are so luscious. The unit is looking bomb. Okay, and again, this is a 4x4 lace closure, and I'm wearing it in a side part. You can opt for a center part as well, but I went for a side part. I'm loving the volume on this unit. The density, I believe, is 150% density, so not too heavy and also not too light. I really, really love this for the fall, and I would definitely recommend this color. As I said before, some changes I would make when I'm wearing this unit again. I would definitely pluck the unit a little bit more. I would also add some more foundation to the lace so it can look a little bit more seamless. So yeah, that is it. The hair is looking bomb. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Again, this is a 4x4 lace closure, 16-inch loose wave unit, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Enjoy seeing this bomb color and all that good stuff. Don't forget to check out the description box below, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.